I am Professor L.B.Gayakawad who has come before you with a new video once again. I will tell you first to see all the notes which I have put in the description box. The second request I will do is that please like, watch, subscribe and share my YouTube channel. I will tell you that my channel uploads the videos on English literature, on English phonetics and phonology, semantics and syntactics, morphology, spoken English, and the literature which is my own in Marathi, Hindi, and English. Today I have come before you with a new topic. The title of the topic is Active and Passive Voices in the Past Perfect Tense. We will discuss here how is the past perfect tense used. I will tell you that the past perfect tense is used when the action itself has been completed or was completed in the past only. Means the action never remains there. The action itself completes there only in the past, and that's why the past tense is used to show the action completed in the past only. Now we will discuss about the active and passive voices, positive and negative. We will discuss first the active voice, positive. I will read the sentence of the active voice. Michael had sent a letter to his mother. This is the active voice positive. I will discuss about this sentence that Michael here is the subject, had sent is the verb, and that verb has come in the sense of had plus pp, means had is the helping verb and sent is the past participle, that is the main verb, and it is the past participle of the main verb. Then a letter is the object and to his mother is the complement, I will say, or the external words or the supporting words. Now we will see the passive voice positive of this particular sentence. A letter had been sent to his mother by Michael. Remember, here we will discuss about this passive voice. A letter is the object here. Had been sent is the verb here because it is the active voice of the past perfect tense. Therefore, we have taken had plus been plus pp. Always you should also take like this. Then to his mother is the external words, or this is the complement, means the supporting words. And by Michael is the by plus subjective case, means we can make here always the subjective case. If we want to speak about the subjective case, then I will tell you that if the subjects are I, we, you, they, he, she, it, then the subjective cases will be like this. If the subject is I, the subjective case will be by me. If the subject is we, it will be by us. If the subject is you, it will be by you. If the subject is they, the case will be by them. If the subject is he, the case will be by her. And if the subject is she, the case will be by her. And if the subject is it, the case will be by it. And if the subjects are other than these subjects just we discussed, then the subjective cases are different. For example, I will tell you that if the subject is the dogs, the case will be by the dogs. If the subject is the girls, the subjective case will be by the girls. If the subject is the chair, the subjective case will be by the chair or chairs. In this way, we can make the subjects and we can make the subjective cases in the passive voices here we have seen. Now we are going to see the active voice negative and passive voice negative. So I will read first the active voice negative. Michael had not sent a letter to his mother. In this sentence, I will tell you Michael is the subject, had not sent is the verb. Here it is the active voice but negative active voice, and that's why we have taken had plus not and then past participle. A letter is the object and to his mother is the particular complement, the extra words or the supporting words. Now we will see the passive voice negative of this particular active voice negative. So the answer of the passive voice negative will be a letter had not or hadn't been sent to his mother by Michael. So here we will discuss about this structure. A letter is the object. Had not or hadn't been sent is the verb because it is the negative passive voice, and that's why we have taken had not or hadn't and then been plus pp. To his mother is the particular supporting uh, part of the sentence or extra words or supporting words or complement. By Michael is the by plus subjective case, we can say. Now we are going to see the conclusion. In the conclusion, I will tell you that the structure of the past perfect tense positive is subject plus had plus pp plus o plus c plus full stop. Means we can take at first the subject, then had, then pp, then o plus c plus full stop. Here I will tell you Michael had sent a letter to his mother. So this is the particular sentence in which I will tell you that the subject is Michael, then had is there, then the pp is sent and the object is a letter and complement is to his mother and there is the full stop. Means we should give the full stop always at the end of the sentence. Now we are discussing about the past perfect negative. The structure of the past perfect negative is subject plus had not, that is hadn't, plus pp plus o plus c plus full stop. So here I will give you the example, and that example is Michael had not sent a letter to his mother is the particular sentence I will tell you. And in this sentence I will tell you that the subject is Michael, had not sent is the verb negative, a letter is the object, and to his mother is the complement or the extra words or the supporting words I will tell you. Then I will tell you is that the past perfect tense is used when the action is completed completely in the past only, means that action never remains again. For us, it means that the action is totally completed. And in this way, if that action is completely completed, then we should use the past perfect tense. Had plus pp and hadn't plus pp, if such type of verbs are there, then we can say that this is the past perfect tense. When we will discuss about the pv, then I will tell you that in the pv the action happens with the object and in the av the action happens with the subject. pv, when we are going to make the PV of that device, or when we make the PV of that device, then there is the use of the subjective cases, and I am discussing now about the subjective cases. If the subject is I, then it will be by me, the subjective case will be by me. If there is the subject we, the subjective case will be by us. If the subject is you, it will be by you. If the subject is they, the subjective case will be by them. If the subject is he, the subjective case will be by her. And if the subject is she, then the subjective case will be by her. And if the subject is it, the subjective case will be by it. And if the subjects are different other than these subjects we just discussed, the cases will be in a different way. How? I will give two or three examples here. If the subject is the bags, the subjective case will be by the bags. If the subject is by the police, then the subjective case will be by the police. So here today I have discussed with you the topic active voice and passive voice in the past perfect tense. So I will stop here. Thank you. Thank you very much.